everybody, welcome back to the DIY Designer. I'm Orly Shani. I got a really good DIY for you today, but before we get started, I actually wanted to keep you guys up to date on what's going on with the channel. I know you guys met Matthew. Say hi.
Hello.
We're going to be expanding the channel into 3 videos a week. One of the videos, a brand new series that I'm gonna be doing, is styling videos. I'm gonna take one item and I'm gonna show you 5 totally different outfits that you can create with that one item. So you guys are gonna get a lot more out of your closet. The idea is that you could have 5 days a week of completely cool, different, unique outfits, but they would all feature the same one item. If you guys subscribe but you don't have that little bell clicked on the page, make sure that you click the little bell so that you're notified when new videos come out, because they will not be on Fridays. That will be DIY day. They will most likely be airing on Mondays. Today, however, I'm doing Halloween. And I gotta be honest, guys, I hate Halloween. It sucks, it's annoying, I feel a tremendous amount of pressure, and I'm never ready, and I don't wanna make anything for my kids. If it's in a bag, I buy it for them. Like, I DIY for a living and I don't even make them a costume. Oh, I'm the worst. Anyway, I did have an idea. I was watching Pretty Woman. It is such an easy costume. The Pretty Woman Streetwalker one, where she's wearing the blue skirt with the white tank and it's connected by that ring, and she's got the blonde wig and the thigh-high boots. It's such an easy thing to DIY, and we can make it like that. Before we do our classic material shot, I want you to see where and how I found everything I needed. Take a look. All right, well, I've gone aisle after aisle and haven't found anything. See, this is the right color, but it just doesn't have like that white. Oh my God. Holy shit. That's exactly what I need. So I have my fabric to make my skirt. So I just need like a really simple spaghetti strap tank. That's not really worth the energy of making, because I can probably find one for like $4 at Forever 21. All right, I found it, $3.90, can't beat that. Grab that white tank top. We know that the little like dip down ends kind of right here, so use your pins and just sort of pin the placement roughly, because it's, again, it's a Halloween costume. It doesn't have to be perfect. Right about here is where I want that curve to be done. And then look at your sides, kind of like right there. That's where it should start to curve in. Lay it flat. Okay, so you can see here we have our side point and our center point. Now you just have to connect the two. Always fold your shirt in half. This is gonna guarantee that when you cut, you've got a perfectly symmetrical right and left hand side. I used my ring just to give myself a guide of how wide the center front needed to go, and then I just eyeballed it and basically connected the 2 points in a curve. Okay, now we take our fabric for our skirt and you're gonna fold it in half so you cut the front and back at the same time. I took a skirt that I had that had about the right fit, but I am giving myself a little bit of excess, knowing that I need to create that little curved center front as well. So I put my skirt flat down, and now I'm cutting it, giving myself a decent amount of seam allowance because I can always take it in more after the fact. I cut across the top just to simply even it out, and now I'm cutting across my right-hand side. And now I'm just trimming the excess off the bottom. You don't have to worry about hemming this now because we can take care of that later. So there we go. I've got a perfectly matched front and back, and now I'm folding the skirt in half and pinning it so that it doesn't slide on me. Now it's time to cut the curve. You want to take your tank top and lay it on your skirt upside down so that you have a perfectly mirrored image of your tank. That way they're perfectly even. Now we just basically sew up our side seams. You can use this with fabric glue or a sewing machine, whatever you want. It's obviously one straight stitch, so this is a super simple project no matter what you want to do here. Okay, now once it's dried, flip it inside out and we have our skirt. We're going to attach them by the ring. So lay them together, take your ring. You want to take your tank top and pull it through the ring. Now you're going to add a little fabric glue to the bottom and fold it over. Press it down with your fingers and pull on the ring at the same time. This is going to ensure that it's got that sort of proper curve to it. Do the identical thing with the bottom, with the skirt, and pull it down and kind of pull the two away from each other. You'll see that it's got some great tension and the fabric glue is plenty to hold it. Now, if you want to hem it, you can. You just fold it over, press it, use a little fabric glue, but basically we're done. Now I got to try it on.